Hey guys, welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Elementor menu when it breaks, or how to fix your broken Elementor menu. So we're just going to go through that quickly. This Elementor is basically a builder that's used to design your website when it's on WordPress. So let's go ahead and go to our site. So this one, it's not broken. I already fixed it, but it's a good I'm just gonna show you how to do it if it ever happens to you again and your menu just breaks, and you could see it all just it all shows up on the top of your website, which looks really bad. So I'm just gonna show you how to do that. First, you're gonna go in here in your dashboard when you log into your website. You're gonna go to Elementor here. So you're gonna go to Elementor. There's gonna be home, settings, submissions, keep going, tools. This is what you want. You're gonna click on tools. Once you're on tools, you're gonna see these options above. And you don't have to go through any of these. This is gonna be in general. So once you're in general, it says regenerate CSS and data. So you're gonna click regenerate files and data. And this is what kind of fixes the menu when it breaks like that. It just regenerates it. So you're going to click here, and then you're going to go to save changes. All right, once you save changes, then your menu should be back. On the header, it look nice again. So one thing you always want to do is clear the cache, the cache, whatever you want to call it. Here it says delete cache, clear all cache. And I suggest you do that with every time you make any changes. Just go ahead and clear it right before. Just clear it after you make any changes, so it displays for new people who are visiting your site. All right. So that's pretty much it. And once you do that, you should be able to go to your site, and it should show that your menu is back on. So it's going to be like this instead of being like a full drop down for everything. And that's pretty much it. Obviously, I'm just showing you on my own site, and the menu is not broken anymore. But those are the easy steps to do to fix your menu when it's broken on Elementor Builder.